Hey, welcome to the Herbalawes YouTube channel. Yeah, and as they say, I have my kitchen share today. So that simple means harvesting. Yeah, man. Today's video, we're going to show you how to harvest parsley. Yeah, but before harvesting the parsley, I also want to, pick out some seeds from my callaloo bed. Yeah, they are seeding up so much. Yeah, so the video today is all about harvesting parsley, but I'm also going to carry you through while I pick out some seeds from my callaloo bed. Yeah, man. Come along.
Today's vlog is brought to you by the Coconut Hut Coconut Oil. That's Miss Dawn's cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Everything tastes better with coconut oil. Call to order at 876-376-1296. So that's Miss Dawn's cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Fix up life.
Hey, sweetness.
Herbalawes family, my callaloos are seeding up, so I'm trying to take out the seeds, so that the plant can continue to grow, so picking out the seeds, Yes, Herbalawes family, let's get back to the reason of this video today. And this video today is showing you how to harvest parsley. Yeah, but thanks for staying tuned in, just watching me a bit, picking out the seeds from my callaloo bed. Yeah, so when you are harvesting parsley, you have two types of parsley, which is the curly parsley and you have the Italian parsley. Now I only have the curly parsley here, so I could not show you the Italian parsley, but I guess if you Google it, you will see the difference. Now, when the parsley plant grows, yeah, you can harvest when the plant reach at least 6 inches tall. Yeah, so now the other thing to be aware of is when harvesting parsley, yeah, is to harvest the more mature leaves. So the outer leaves, now you can see that the outer leaves is the more mature leaves. They are more mature than these leaves, so I'll harvest the outer leaves, which are more mature. Yeah, so those are some tips that you need to understand, when and how to harvest parsley. So let's go. So when you're in the kitchen and using parsley, you mostly use the leaves, but if you just harvest and cut the leaves, it will not grow back. So I like to harvest from the stem. Yeah, so let's go. So This is the first leaf. Yeah man, always have a good and clean shear scissors, you know. A good kitchen always have a good shear scissors. Yeah man, so we are getting there. We are getting there. So we are harvesting the most mature leaves. And when you look at the stem, it also look different, you know? So you can identify the more mature leaves. Yeah, so these are the more mature leaves, you know? So this is what it looks like, you know, after reaping. Yes, a nice bundle of parsley. Yeah man, nice bundle of parsley. So yes, herbal fam. Yeah, that's how you harvest parsley, you know. And yeah, look so nice in my calabash. Yeah, and as I said, you know, you harvest the more mature leaves, which most times is on the outer part of the plant. So I'm showing you a close-up view of what it looks like. So these are all the stems from where I've harvested. And if you look at the leaves, yeah, these leaves are the more mature leaves. Yeah. So I have another pot to harvest. Stay tuned. So the same method for this one. The more mature leaf. And always, you know, it's good to learn from others, but it's good when you can actually observe the plants yourself. And if you look at the plants, you will see the difference. The leaves, the more mature leaves look different. Yeah, they look different. The more mature leaves look different. I don't want to say the stems, they also look greener, you know. One of the most fun thing about planting herbs and vegetable is when you plant, you know, whether from seed or from seedlings, you know, when you see the plant grow, you know, and how green and beautiful they are, it brings joy to your heart, you know. So you can also experience the joy I'm talking about. Yeah, you can experience the joy I'm talking about. So yeah, so that's my parsley that I reap today in my calabash. Yeah, so let's get a shot, you know. Let's get a shot. And you can also follow me on Instagram at the same handle, Herbalawes. So that's HERBALAWES with one L, Herbal Laws. Yeah, man. So let's do a little video for Instagram.